Guess who's back?
Hello.
Back again. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we have the carbon fiber lip finally going on the FD. So, as you can see, we are getting rid of the stock lip, which is, in my opinion, one of the best lips ever. But we got to match the Gucci wheels that we put on here. So we're going to put some carbon fiber on here, and hopefully it lines up well. If you guys know anything about the FDs, pre-99 spec bumpers, they're very hard to find any lips for. So I found this. I can't remember who I ordered it through. I ordered it like 2 years ago. I think it's from a Miata company. I think it's Carbon Miata, but they sell FD lip as well. I honestly want to say it's a Chinese company, even though I hate to say that. I think they are a Chinese company. But so we're gonna line up the lip, see if it lines up. Is it? Am I right? So I'm gonna line it up, see if it lines up good, and if it's good, I'll let you guys know. If not, if it is crap, I'll let you guys know that as well, because I like Japanese parts.
Well, Japanese parts come from China too.
They're made in China. All right, so we're gonna get this started. We're gonna lift the FD and then take the stock lip off.
Is it just
I'm getting a lot of glare.
I'm trying to say words. It looks like this? It's just carbon fiber, or is it a different style?
Yeah, it looks like
it's
that.
Just, okay, cool.
I hope. I don't know. It's been 2 years. All right, let's do it. Oh! All right. Looks like 10 mil? Probably. I'm gonna impact.
The big impact?
No, I'm just joking.
Oh. Is there 10 mil already on here?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Man, there's a lot of bolts.
Is there?
This is a good lip.
It's OEM, isn't it? Yeah.
All right, so it's held in by like 20 bolts.
I was just pointing that. You can't see shit.
You can't see shit. Oh, man.
Well, the front lip on my car is held in with about 4 self-tappers, so this is pretty different than that.
Yeah, totally. I think I need a...
Is it a nut on the top, too?
No, I got it.
Oh, okay.
One out. That's just...
Getting character.
All right, so we took the stock lip off, which honestly is going to be probably an expensive lip one day. So we'll keep that preserved.
Piece of plastic.
Piece of plastic made from $50 worth of plastic.
I was gonna say, like, I don't know where you're going with this sentence.
Nice wrap. Well, plus 10 for the wrap.
Usually unboxing videos are therapeutic. This is just stressful.
This is horrible. This is like wrapped in a king-size blanket.
Yeah, so it's OEM style, but
Yeah.
nice.
Cool. Honestly, it's probably just 3D printed and then layered.
What's on the underside of it? Composite. Just like fiberglass with a piece of carbon layered over it. Yeah. Kind of common.
All right, we'll see how it looks.
not terrible or terrible?
We'll see. Let's get under here and
Start tightening stuff up.
see if shit's lined up.
Yeah.
That'll depict if we have to do an ace run.
We're gonna. Do you have the tools down there?
All right, guys, we finished the install after another run to Ace Hardware. It's our favorite store. We had to get some nut and bolt combos. We got the lip on as best as we could. I would say the packaging was a 10 out of 10, and that was the only 10 that I'm gonna give this this lip. I'm only keeping it on just because of you know, what I paid for it and for the amount of headache that it took to get this thing on. We ended up not using the 3M tape just because it didn't line up well. So what we did was we kind of caressed the sides to get them to line up as best as we could. The only part that I'm not happy about is probably the center part. The factory FD has the little cutoff, so I guess when they 3D print this to make a copy, they do that same cutoff. But as anybody knows, fiberglass doesn't really like mold well, so it didn't line up well. So we had to make our own holes. We drilled into the factory bumper to make holes, and we went from there. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And that's it. So I would give this probably like a 2 out of 10 as far as fitment. So it really did not like line up well, but we got it to line up the best as we could. And I'll run it for a little bit and probably go back to the stock lip eventually, or do a 99 spec front bumper, because there's a lot more options. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.